Bitcoin.com reports that Finder, a crypto price comparison portal, held a 54-man panel on Dogecoin, and 45% said that they did not think Dogecoin would fade by 2025. That says a lot about the 55%. As the first meme coin, its value heavily depends on speculations, and Musk's recent silence could directly affect investors. As such, we have made a list to help you trade the coin better and become a millionaire quickly. You are doing it wrong. 3 key strategies to become a DOGECOIN millionaire. Doge News Update. Number 3. Moving Average Cross. We all know that Dogecoin breaking news now could change the price of the coin entirely. For instance, all it took was a few tweets from Elon Musk to scale the meme coin over 1 million times in 2021. Therefore, one can apply the simple strategy of a moving average indicator to plot their trading cycle. In particular, the single moving averages, SMAs, are commonly used to strategize when dealing with multiple asset classes. Sometimes, one cannot stay on top of the news and follow all the trends and patterns of Dogecoin. Nevertheless, using this strategy, you can adequately trade using the trading chart. First, find a Dogecoin price chart and decide what period to plot. The periods include 200, 150 period, etc. Once you have determined the line, plot the SMA line over the selected time and wait for it to direct you. When the line starts moving, you can recognize the times to buy and sell. Moreover, the line can make a bullish cross or bearish cross to mean buy or sell, respectively. This strategy can make you a millionaire in no time, as it does all the work for you and advise you as an asset manager would.
Oh, well.
Nonetheless, if you do not know what to look out for on the chart or what the periods mean, maybe you should watch a Dogecoin chart price tutorial first. It will be of considerable help. Additionally, why don't you consider using a simplified alternative like the RSI Divergent Strategy? It combines a price and demand versus supply analysis to indicate Dogecoin's trading status for your millionaire status. Later, we will give you details about the RSI pointer. Number 2. Dollar cost averaging. If you are an icon in the Dogecoin price field, this might be no surprise to you. However, for beginners, this internationally acclaimed trading strategy can make you wealthy in no time. Wonder why rich people still go chasing loans? That is because they do not want to invest all their money in a new venture, so they lose everything when it fails. For example, Elon Musk is worth over $250 billion, with Tesla stock making up over $175 billion. Nonetheless, when he put in a bid for Twitter, he went to his friends to pitch in and support his bid. Slowly, he would have eased more of his money into the social media platform if it started proving profitable. What is the correlation with Dogecoin news today? Similar to billionaires buying companies, you should buy your Dogecoin in smaller portions until you arrive at the total position size you intend to hold. For instance, suppose you want to buy $1,000 worth of Dogecoin. You can split it into 4 weeks. Each week, should the coin hit a target price as predicted by experts, you buy $250.
Smart.
Splitting the money and investing this way ensures that you make profits over several trades instead of a single time when the position is not assured. In addition, it is a long-term strategy to make your average gains spread out over a period. We have been running a split subscription with our views each week, and it happens to be your turn to hit the button. Use it as practice for your next dollar cost average. Number 1. Relative Strength Index. Doge was a meme coin that shouldn't have really gotten to this point. Thanks, Elon. Bigwave CEO Patrick White remarked during a 54-panel expert prediction on Dogecoin that Finder hosted. The truth about Dogecoin is that its entire makeup and introduction into the world was a joke. Hence, jokes continue to affect it. Dogecoin faces all its downturns and hype because of its closeness and direct community with social media. Thus, a relative strength index could help you better trade the meme coin. The RSI uses technical analysis to show whether Dogecoin is in demand or abundance. The indicator uses a 0 to 100 range to determine this probability. For example, if an asset is rallying around 30 or below, it means that there is a chance for it to pick up again soon as it is undersold.
Oh, okay.
On the other hand, should an asset pass 70, the probability of its bullish run ending is high. However, due to the number of times external factors, such as Snoop Dogg's support, have underestimated RSI, we need to use the RSI Divergent Strategy. Basically, this looks at the divergence between the asset's price line and its RSI reading. If there is a major difference, it means that the market sentiment is shifting, thereby making it an excellent touch to cut all surprises. All this talks about checking price and none to compare with competitors and expert opinion. In our previous video, we gave a price analysis of two coins that have the same trajectory of ups and downs. Watch the truth about Dogecoin versus Solana. Shocking truth revealed.